Hello and welcome to Healthy Cooking for Food Lovers. My name is Marie-France and I'm here with Isabelle and we're at Le Vin du Linge and Isabelle is the owner of this place here. So can you please tell us how did you decide to come here at Iles-de-la-Madeleine and what you do here?
Actually, we came on a vacation in 2012 with friends, with a group of friends, and actually we didn't decide that destination. They did it for us. We were just following that year. And it was on Magdalene Islands.
Wow.
Actually, and we came here for 2 weeks and we've just fallen in love with the place, with the islands, with these people. And we went back to Montreal, sold everything, came back here, bought a restaurant. So here we arrived on Magdalene Islands 6 years ago.
6 years ago, and we have this beautiful restaurant.
Yeah.
I believe it's really busy here.
It is. It's a very short season, 3 months and a half, but it's very, very busy. So it's very intense. But afterwards, we have all winter to recuperate.
Yeah. So do you live here also?
Oh yeah, we moved here, we live here. And actually, I have to say, when we go back to Montreal, it makes me pretty sad. I miss some things in Montreal, but really here it's a style of life and it's a quality of life that we came to get here. So.
Tell us about your husband.
My husband, his name is Francois. He's a professional musician. He plays the cello, the viola, and the violin. And he was just tired of touring all around the place. So every night we have live music here. So he has his own stage here to play music, which is fabulous. And he invites people from all around the place. Actually, we have Randy Coleman, who's arriving today. He's probably arriving in about 15 minutes by plane. To come and play here from Los Angeles. And every night we play, Francois plays, we excluded the one who talks right now. And I don't sing. But he plays the cello every night at the sunset outside for 15 minutes. So
beautiful.
It's a very nice place.
Wow.
A lot of music.
He used to be with the Cirque du Soleil.
Yes. He toured with lots of big companies and singers and musicians. All of his life.
So now you're in paradise. You're not going anywhere.
Paradise, not going anywhere, staying here and inviting people to come and join us.
Bring me a dream, making the Judah that I je le porte et mes chansons me font rire chez moi.
And so that makes a difference for us.
Please come and see Isabelle
Yeah,
here and
come see
François.
us
It's
here.
beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.